Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining purpose so you pick the right extension and keywords. This reduces future rework. Next, verify budget including renewal and optional privacy fees so there are no surprises. Now, go to Godaddy and type your desired name into the search field. You'll see availability and alternative suggestions. Choose one that's short, memorable, and avoids trademarks. Once you have an available candidate, add it to your cart and proceed to registration details to secure the name. You now select registration length. 1 year is fine, but longer terms can protect pricing. Decide on who is privacy to hide personal data and enable DNS management so you control records later. Review add-ons, email, hosting, or premium DNS only if you need them. Enter accurate registrant info, verify your email when prompted. This validates ownership and prevents suspension. Complete payment using a secure method and enable two-factor authentication on your Godaddy account for ongoing security once the purchase is processed. Once registered, go to your domain manager to set name servers or add DNS records for websites and email. This is how your domain points to services. When connecting, hosting, or transferring, expect up to 24 to 48 hours for DNS propagation, so be patient. If something goes wrong, check that whois contact is verified, domain lock is off for transfers, and renewal or payment didn't fail. If you still see issues, contact Godaddy support with your order number and explain the specific DNS or transfer error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.